get on to, right, as you can see, Liverpool. And this place is, I think it's quite famous actually. So it's kind of surprised that it's opened, and it will be, my guess is it's going to be sealed up quick. Look at them, oblivious to what's going on down there. Liverpool, obviously, look at the live building. Can you see the live building? There you go, look at the little live bird. Quite a good zoom actually. So yeah. Might recognise that. We're going to go down there in a second, but we're going to go a different way because it's a little less grim. It's like all made of wood down there, and it's really grim down here on this floor. There's quite a lot of birds. We're going to go, this isn't too bad, this section, but there is a bit that is just around the corner, dreadful. It's full of pigeons, and as you can see there's shit everywhere. Hey! Alright, there you go. Fucking hell. I hate pigeons, you know what I mean? Watch out for these ones. There's always dead ones on the floor, also. Always. Fucking don't know how to speak English, sorry. Yeah, sorry if dreadful speaker. Fucking. Oh shit, just step over the fucking shit there. Yeah, look at them. Fucking horrible. Hate pigeons. Now I'm gonna go through this door to a place where no more pigeons are. It's quite dark in here. I'm gonna actually get my torch. I was gonna just swerve, get my torch, and just go whatever. I can leave that door open because there is actually a bit of wind sometimes, so I'll close it automatically. So yeah, very clever system we've got going on there. Right, very good torch this actually, but the problem with it is if it runs out of batteries, they're fucked. And one day I was in the middle of a tunnel on my own, and it ran out of batteries. It was pitch black in the Wapping tunnel it was. I'm trying to do this like kind of least cut down as I possibly can, because I can't be bothered editing it, but yeah, you guys get a little effort from me. This bit's fine, this isn't full of pigeons or nothing. That cooker there looks quite old. Is that like a logo for it? It's like a crown. Pretty cool. Someone's fucking threw the door down. And yeah, here we are, we're on the where the docks are. And there's a whole other half of this building that I haven't explored. But it's very annoying. We're up there before. That's where I started the video off. Free ladder, if you want to nick it. I don't nick ladders. Yeah, please, I do not steal ladders. Bloody hell. So we have this little corridor connecting the two buildings, if it will focus. And that's an interesting little vent. And that looks good and all, and you're like, oh, I could just, go over that little thing there. But I wonder if I could hardcore parkour it. Looks pretty dodgy though. Could use a ladder, but I don't know about that. Yeah, it's basically bricked off at both sides. I'm not sure both sides, but this side definitely. But I'd like to get to that side because it looks pretty cool. I might actually have another look at it. I'm going to stop recording and have a quick little look, little skeletal, and be back. the second floor. This is probably one of the coolest floors. Give a quick look at this. Because I'm gonna keep my voice a bit quiet now. Just in case that guy can hear me, because he's like down there on the road. I don't think he is. I think he's just some fella. Yeah. So it's a bit blurry, yes. So yeah, so it's a bit blurry. There's quite a lot of drippage on the ceiling. There's quite a bit of water damage on the building, to be honest. I think this is pretty cool. That's go down like a fire escape type thing. This, these shelves must be quite old. Maybe. Because there was a sign upstairs that I took a photo of. It said, something about, type, like old alphabet or whatever, when someone says now. So this might have been something to do with, because obviously there's women workers and that, maybe it was something kind of all in offices and just sort of typing stuff off on computers, not on computers, and letters or whatever, or like typewriters. Quite interesting. And there's that way, I just thought I'd show you down here. Look at this room. This is the weirdest room. There's some backy there. Look at that. Is that a key or something? I don't know. I don't think so, actually. Wow, this is a weird design. Guess the yeah, I don't know. A fire escape. Shit. So yeah, this is the first floor. Ground floor. Little tiny bit raised above ground, I guess, but it's pretty much ground floor. There's some wooden stairs there. What's in there? Not been in there. Whoa. This is weird. That's cool, that. I know it looks kind of shite, but it's pretty cool. Super Life, big kind of weird looking battery thing there. Staff only. And staff. I'm not focusing. There you go. So here's the basement. A little bit scared to go down here, but we'll go. That looks like a booby trap. Straight away. Hello! It's like kind of cramped but also large. So that's weird. Oh my god. I'm a bit scared, not gonna lie. Hello? Oh my god, lad, what the hell? I can't believe this place is still open. It's not that amazing really inside. It looks quite cool outside. But it's still quite famous. And by famous I mean obviously as famous as some abandoned thing can get. Oh, is that money? Not money, but like, are these for storing money? They've got like a little slot on the top, like little piggy bank type things. Hose thing. Let me just hold my camera correctly. Actually does swap hands. I think they're money, and look, they've got little lines to measure how much money is in there, like approximately. Maybe, I think this was some kind of office-y kind of thing. They're writing down paperwork and typewriters apparently. Whoa. Oh. It just went red all of a sudden, but it's just my torch. Hard to say. Right. Oh, that's weird. Don't know what that is. Some weird light bulb thing. Right, go through the door, I'm gonna get out here now. Past the booby trap thing. Up the road stairs. Past the photo of William and Kate, is that? No. The windows are actually like one of the best things, I reckon. The windows look very cool. So these stairs, I'm gonna go up and there's no point up because I know where they lead, but just to say I've done it. Just the second floor in it. Weird little blue thing there. Right, I'm gonna get out now. There's not much else to do. I've shown you it all. Oh, and remember guys, fresh cut sandwiches to order. We serve real chips. Oh, god damn it. Bit of clean product there. Don't know why it's not very clean. Look, I thought I'd show you this. Which, I wish I was a robber, because I'd take that. Shouldn't really say that, but you know, whatever. It's Liverpool 1. And it's like a vendor of Liverpool 1. And I actually didn't know it was like a big kind of circle thing. I knew they had the circle roof type things, but I didn't know. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. Oh, where's the bridge? There's no like little bridge between John Lewis and the car park. That would look really cool on a wall. And look, this is a bit what they probably haven't planned out properly yet. Which obviously is there now. This must have been from time ago, this. £1 billion, eh? Huh. £1 billion. Private staff only, I'm staff. I've got a viz, I'm staff. Wow. Very impressive. Health and safety. Read that. Very important.